the code, it's our daily grind. From Python to Java, we've got the mind. C++ compiling, Ruby shining bright. Swift on iOS, we're coding through the night. Kotlin for Android, TypeScript's in the mix. JavaScript everywhere, we fix and remix. PHP's our ally, Rust our new friend. In the world of coding, there's no end. This is the coder's anthem, shout it loud. From assembly to Go, we stand unbowed. C, Python, Java, we're making it right. In this digital world, we're lighting the night. We're building on Scala, and R's got the stats. MATLAB's math goes where it's at. Haskell's pure, Lua's clean. Perl's in the back, staying unseen. Swift is so fast, Dart's the new wave. SQL queries, we code and behave. Ruby on Rails, we're never delayed. Every language we use, we got it made. This is the coder's anthem, shout it loud. From assembly to Go, we stand unbowed. C, Python, Java, we're making it right. In this digital world, we're lighting the night. Legacy to Dart's new day, we're coding warriors, we pave the way. React for the front, Node for the back. In every language, we've got the knack. This is the coder's anthem, shout it loud. From assembly to Go, we stand unbowed. C, Python, Java, we're making it right. In this digital world, we're lighting the night. So raise your hands, let's code in style. With all these languages, we'll go the mile. The coder's anthem will always hail. From the first line to the final trail. We'll go the mile, the coder's anthem will always hail. From the first line to the final trail.